not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey y'all, I'm back with some human hair from one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and that's Nadula Hair. It's so hot. I've been on this kick of finding easy, affordable, throw on and go human hair. And Nadula, I've been finding some winners with them. So I said, let me try again. If you look in that description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig, the details on this wig, everything that I got. So y'all care about this wig. So like I said, I've been on this kick of finding hair that is easy, affordable, and throw on and go. So this wig is a body wave. It's 24 inches long, and it's in that color TL412. Like I said, look in that box. I absolutely love this color for summer. Look at that. Oh, if I would have had a red lip on. Yeah. All right, so this is one of Nadula's glueless wigs. You don't have to cut any lace. Like, it's legit the epitome of a throw on and go. So there's no lace to cut off. Some companies call them air wigs. You see all types of stuff. No lace to cut off or anything. Like, you're supposed to be able to literally put this on and go. You get a comb to the right, a comb to the left. You get a comb in the back, this adjustable strap. But what I love about Nadula's, because every company is making these now, but what I love about Nadula's glueless wigs, they have this little adhesive strip, but it's not sticky to the touch, but it's sticky, if that makes sense. I don't know, I can't describe it. Okay, but that makes the wig lay super flush to your head. This is gonna take me no time, because like I said, there's no hair to cut off. That's already been pre-plucked for you. Like, this is dope, this is dope, this is dope, this is dope. That color is so pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this wig on my head, brush it out, straighten the hairline up close, curl it, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts, y'all. Be right back.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You is your way, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you
on this wig, and Nadula did it again. This really is a throw on and go. There's nothing to cut off, nothing to, you know, I put a little bit of powder in the part, I did, but that was just a little. It could actually use some more, but this pretty throw on and go for some human hair. I didn't lay down any baby hairs or anything, and that's what we got. I think it looks pretty good. I love the color on this. Also, I normally, you know, curl these, my version of curling, but I like the wavy look because of this color, so I just got my crimper and threw a few crimps in the front and left the rest of it how it is straight out of the pack. And I love these beachy, like effortless waves. Like I love this look of this hair. Do I recommend this one? 1,010% I do. And if you're into like that glueless throw and go out the door and you don't like this color, know that y'all at this point, I reviewed this wig, the same wig in body wave, deep wave, loose deep, water wave. Just go look a few videos back. I'll try to link some at the end as well. But this wig is bomb. And they are affordable too. That's another thing that I love about Nadula Hair. Affordable and good quality. So can I recommend this one that's making me feel like Beyonce Beach? You know, yes, I definitely can. I'm glad that I picked this one up. Looking at the description box, like I said, I put a direct link to the wig that I got. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon. Bye.
Nadula.